Alright, now I'm going to start the engine, and we use a hand crank. Now, to start it, I want to clear the cylinder of any unburnt fuel from the last time it ran. So I will press in a little button here to release compression, so I can roll it over pretty easy. This helps me clear the cylinder of any old fumes or anything like that. And I want to bring this back up to compression, which is right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a charge of fuel, and I'm going to go past compression, close the release, and I'm going to pull back to compression. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to release some compression. I'm going to pull this forward ever so slightly, which will help me get it started. We want a little bit of fuel, which I have. No spark advance. The spark advance has to be toward the rear, turned off. Now, and only now, I can turn the ignition on. And all I have to do is just pull through.